And then actually I'm gonna be uploading videos. I'm gonna be showing you guys which games to play. I will start on Thursday. So after that I will be showing you. You're gonna be following me. If you have 100 rand or 200, just put it in your, you can put it in Hollywood or Lotto Star or any or Betway. But I'm gonna be showing you guys which game you need to play, so that we can make Christmas money. So we are going to try to make Christmas money. But as I was checking here, which game could I play, I felt like it's nice maybe to start with hot fruit. But let me just take you to one of the game that I play, and you see what happens. And I hope every Panthers, you are doing well in this festive season, in this Christmas, and you are going to enjoy your December wherever you are. Let me know in the comment section, how is this December to you? How are you treating you? Are you well? So let's just begin with our game without wasting much time. So this is what happened. We got like free spins. When we got the free spins, you can see here we are still chasing. Okay, it gave us the oranges. So let's see what will happen when it gives us oranges. Right, we got more oranges than anticipated. So this is a big win, guys. This is a big win. So this is gonna give us, it gave us, let's see, alright, 73, oh, 80, right? Oh, okay, I thought maybe it's going to stop at 50, right? Okay, it's above 100, okay, 106. Okay, so nice is the last spin. It split almost many of the oranges, so this is nice, guys. Let's see how much it's going to give us. A big win again. Probably it's going to be bigger than the first one. It's going to be bigger than the first one. Right. Let's see. Alright. 156, and we are walking home with 296. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you up.